Who do you think will come out on top at the Erzberg Rodeo 2024? This race is renowned as the most challenging enduro event globally, demanding an extraordinary level of skill, endurance, and determination from every rider. Only the most complete and versatile racers have what it takes to claim victory in such a grueling competition. What sets the Erzberg Rodeo apart is the gathering of riders from all corners of the globe, converging to compete in this singular event. Additionally, Erzberg offers the unique opportunity for complete amateurs to race alongside their idols, such as Billy Bolt, Graham Jarvis, and other top factory riders. This isn't merely a race, it's a grand spectacle that leaves a lasting impression in the enduro community. In many ways, the entire hard enduro world revolves around this iconic event. This year in the Prologue, the fastest rider was Josep Garcia, clocking in at 10 minutes and 19 seconds. Following him was Chris Gunderman, with a time of 10 minutes and 49 seconds, securing second place. Dominic Olsowi claimed third place with a time of 10 minutes and 50 seconds. It's important to highlight that Josep Garcia is incredibly fast, operating on a completely different level in the Prologue compared to other riders. To put it into perspective, he was a full 30 seconds quicker than the second-place finisher. This is a remarkable gap, underscoring that Joseph's performance is truly on a next level. Behind them, Wade Young is immediately present. He's no longer part of the Sherco factory team but competes independently. Following him are Manuel Lettenbichler on a KTM factory racing bike and Teodor Kabakchiev on a Sherco factory motorcycle. Johnny Walker, too, is no longer associated with any factory team. He now races independently. It's worth noting that your idol, Graham Jarvis, is in 35th place, which is not unusual. Every year he doesn't achieve the best results in the Prologue, but during the main race he gradually overtakes one rider after another, ultimately clinching victory. We have some very sad news. Unfortunately, Billy Bolt will not be competing at Erzberg this year, due to an injury that prevents him from riding. This is extremely disappointing for all his fans who were hoping to witness his incredible riding at this legendary event. Billy is one of the brightest talents in the hard enduro world, and while we hope for a speedy recovery, we all send him our best wishes for a quick and full recovery. Who do you believe will emerge victorious at this year's Erzberg Rodeo? Share your predictions with us in the comments section below, and let's start the discussion on who has the grit, determination, and skill to conquer one of the toughest challenges in the world of hard enduro racing. Your insights could spark a lively debate among fans and enthusiasts alike, so don't hesitate to join the conversation. Additionally, at the race, you'll get to witness Paul Terrace on his massive Yamaha. Remembering his remarkable performance at the last Erzberg in 2023, where he wowed fans with his skillful maneuvers and sheer determination, it's evident that he's a formidable rider. Fans were in awe of his prowess, showcasing that he's truly a force to be reckoned with. It's a testament not only to his talent, but also to the capabilities of the Yamaha he rides. Manuel Lettenbichler stands out as a strong contender for victory in the race, given his impressive track record and undeniable talent. Let's delve into his biography to understand why he's a formidable force on the Erzberg Rodeo circuit. Hailing from Germany, Lettenbichler comes from a family deeply rooted in off-road motorcycle racing. With his father, Andreas Lettenbichler, a former top-level enduro rider, Manuel was exposed to the sport from a young age. He quickly developed a passion for riding and began competing in local events before making his mark on the international stage. In recent years, Lettenbichler has emerged as one of the most dominant riders in hard enduro, with notable victories at prestigious events like the Red Bull Romaniacs and the Erzberg Rodeo. His combination of technical skill, physical endurance, and strategic prowess makes him a formidable competitor in any race. At the Erzberg Rodeo, Lettenbichler's calculated approach to tackling the challenging terrain has earned him podium finishes and widespread admiration from fans and fellow riders alike. With each passing year, he continues to refine his craft and push the boundaries of what's possible in hard enduro. Given his proven track record and unwavering determination, there's no doubt that Manuel Lettenbichler has what it takes to clinch victory at this year's Erzberg Rodeo. We can expect a lot from Teodor Kabakchiev, as he has shown significant improvement lately and continues to elevate his performance. Teodor Kabakchiev hails from Bulgaria, a country known for producing top-tier enduro riders. From a young age, Kabakchiev displayed a natural talent for riding, honing his skills on the rugged terrain of his homeland. His dedication and passion for the sport propelled him to compete in national and international competitions, where he quickly made a name for himself. In recent years, Kabakchiev's career has seen a notable upswing, particularly since he transitioned to riding for the Sherco team. The switch to Sherco has seemed to unlock new levels of performance for him, as he consistently delivers strong results in races around the world. At the Erzberg Rodeo, Kabakchiev's steady progression and unwavering determination make him a dark horse contender for victory. His ability to navigate technical sections with precision and maintain a blistering pace in grueling conditions sets him apart as a force to be reckoned with. With his sights set on the top spot of the podium, Teodor Kabakchiev is poised to make a significant impact at this year's Erzberg Rodeo. This year's Erzberg promises to be incredibly exciting to watch, as it's truly difficult to predict who could emerge as the victor. In addition to seasoned veterans, there are also many younger riders waiting in the wings, eager to showcase their talent and make their mark on the sport. We're extremely excited and can hardly wait for tomorrow to watch the main race unfold and see what unfolds on the challenging terrain of the Erzberg. Stay tuned for an unforgettable showdown. Let's all comment. Who do you think will win? Let's see who's right in the end. I'll leave you now to enjoy the struggle in the tough terrain, and we'll soon bring you some new videos from the race. See you soon.